What's the meaning of blue channel? Blue channel. Blue channel.
Blue channel. Blue channel. The term blue channel is generally used in the context of digital imaging and refers to one of the color channels that make up an image. An image is typically made up of three color channels, namely red, green, and blue. These three channels together make up the full range of colors visible to the human eye. The blue channel specifically represents the degree of blue present in each pixel of the image. It can be individually manipulated to adjust the color balance of an image or enhance specific elements that are more dominant in the blue spectrum. Understanding color channels is essential for working with digital images, especially in fields such as photography, graphic design, and video production.